Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. There is no much changes if you refer to what analyzes. If you refer to my last video, since the price was than here, and we mentioned if we get correction, we can look for buy, and this is what we get. All right. Anyway, right now we see the breakout of 48,850, and the next level we want to see the breakout is 5,500. All right. And if I start with the 1 hour chart, as we can see, based on a 1 hour chart, the price, sorry, based on daily chart, the price start the previous top, which is this one. And right now we need to see the breakout of this one, which is 5,500, following by 53,100, right? This means we need to see the breakout of this. That's why for those traders, they get the trade within this one, they need to start to book the profit, which I mentioned in my last analysis. All right. And rather than that, we have nothing else to discuss based on daily chart. Still, we can look for continuation, but maybe the continuation is as a corrective move, because if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. Right now, we see the divergence based on forward chart. If we put this top in relative to the previous one, and this is what we can see. We need to be quite careful. Based on two indicators, we see the divergence. This is the reasons why we need to be quite careful. If the continuation as a corrective, then maybe, because we mentioned we expect to get the deeper correction, and I don't think this is the one we were looking for. All right. Anyway, still we can look for continuation, and the next level we want to see the breakout is 5,500, 50500. All right. Even if we don't see any trade setup to look for buy at this point. And how about if I move to 1 hour chart? Even based on 1 hour chart, I don't see any trade setup to look for. And still, we can see we have a divergence. This is what we don't like it. All right. And that's why I was keep highlighting, if this one turned a deeper correction, it can give us better confirmation. Anyway, still we can look for continuation. And for those traders, still they keeping the trade within this move, at least move their stop loss somewhere below this correction, somewhere around 47 or 47K or 46,500. And even if you want to look for the next trade at this point, since we get this sharp move, all right, the best if we get one more drop and this one turn to a flat reversal, we take the trade as a reversal with a sharp move flag. All right, but rather than that, the only way is to put a warrant shape of this in case the continuation as a sharp move. Rather than that, we don't have any other option to look for. And at this point, the only things I'm looking for, I want to see the breakout of this zone. All right, because with the breakout of this zone, we can look for continuation. And anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.